TD Cash Secured Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're struggling to build or rebuild your credit in 2025, you may have heard about the TD Cash Secured Credit Card ***. But is it really worth your time, or should you leave it? In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into every aspect of this card, from eligibility and fees to rewards, credit building potential, and real-world value, so you can make an informed decision. By the end, you'll know whether this card is a stepping stone to better credit or just another product to skip. Let's start with the basics. The TD Cash Secured Credit Card is designed primarily for individuals with limited or damaged credit who need a reliable way to rebuild their credit history. Unlike traditional credit cards, this is a secured credit card which means you deposit a cash amount that becomes your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $500, your credit limit is $500. This reduces risk for the bank, while giving you an opportunity to demonstrate responsible credit use. Most people get this wrong. A secured credit card isn't a punishment, it's a tool. The TD Cash Secured Credit Card allows you to build or rebuild your credit while enjoying some of the perks of a standard credit card. TD Bank reports that responsible use of this card can help you eventually qualify for unsecured credit products, opening the door to higher limits, lower interest rates, and more rewards in the future. Now, let's talk rewards. Unlike many secured cards that don't offer any benefits beyond credit building, the TD Cash Secured Credit Card comes with a simple reward structure. 1% cash back on all purchases. While this isn't as flashy as premium credit cards, it's more than most secured cards offer. For someone who spends $500 per month, that's $5 cash back monthly or $60 annually. It may seem modest, but the key here is that you're earning rewards while simultaneously building your credit. The card also comes with no annual fee which is a major advantage for anyone trying to manage finances carefully. Some secured cards charge fees of $25, $50 annually, cutting into the limited rewards you might earn. With TD Cash Secured, every dollar you earn in cashback is yours to keep. There's also no foreign transaction fee which is rare for a secured card and a nice bonus for anyone who travels occasionally or makes international purchases. Next, let's cover interest rates. The TD Cash Secured Credit Card has a variable APR, and while it's higher than unsecured cards aimed at prime borrowers, it's competitive for secured products. The most important thing to remember is to pay your balance in full each month. Carrying a balance can quickly negate the benefits of your cashback rewards and slow down your credit building progress. For students or new credit users, this card provides a safe space to practice disciplined credit management without taking on unmanageable debt. One of the strongest features of the TD Cash Secured Credit Card is its credit building potential. TD reports activity to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This means that on-time payments and low credit utilization will positively impact your credit score. Over time, consistent responsible use can make a substantial difference. For someone starting at a score of 550-600, building a strong payment history with this card can help push their score into the 650-700 range within 12-18 months. A common misconception is that secured cards don't lead to traditional credit opportunities. The truth is, many cardholders who start with TD Cash Secured eventually qualify for unsecured TD credit cards sometimes within a year of responsible use. This is the real power of the product. It's not just a card, it's a gateway to financial growth. Now, let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for the TD Cash Secured Credit Card, you need to deposit at least $300, have a valid social security number, and meet basic age and residency requirements. TD Bank tends to approve applicants with lower credit scores more readily than mainstream unsecured products. That said, approval is not guaranteed, and maintaining a deposit equal to your credit limit is mandatory. Many people overlook this, but it's an essential part of understanding how secured cards work. Another benefit is digital account management. TD Bank's online and mobile platforms allow you to track spending, monitor rewards, and set up automatic payments. This level of visibility is crucial for anyone working to rebuild credit because it makes it easier to stay on top of payment due dates and avoid late fees, which could seriously hurt your progress. Security is another key feature. Like other TD credit cards, the secured card comes with ** fraud monitoring, zero liability for unauthorized purchases, and EMV chip technology **. For someone who may be new to credit, these protections give peace of mind while learning to use a credit card responsibly. Now, let's put the rewards into perspective. Suppose you spend $1,000 per month on essentials like groceries, gas, and textbooks. With 1% cash back, you'll earn $10 monthly or $120 annually. While this won't fund a luxury vacation, it is tangible value for everyday spending, which is often overlooked. Combine that with the long-term benefit of building credit, and the card becomes more than just a cashback tool. It's an ** investment in your financial future **. It's also worth mentioning ** graduation to an unsecured card **. TD occasionally reviews secured accounts and may offer to upgrade your card to an unsecured TD Cash credit card without requiring a new application. This is a major perk, because it can remove the need for a deposit while keeping your established payment history intact. Many people get frustrated with secured cards, thinking they are permanent. With TD Cash Secured, there's a clear path forward. Let's break down ** pros and cons ** to give you a realistic picture. **pros: helps build or rebuild credit with reported activity to all 3 credit bureaus. 1% cashback on all purchases, uncommon for secured cards. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. Digital tools for tracking, alerts, and automatic payments. Potential to graduate to an unsecured TD credit card. **Cons: requires a deposit to secure the credit line. Modest rewards rate compared to standard cashback cards. Credit limit is equal to the deposit, which may be low for heavy spenders. High variable APR if balances are carried. In real-world terms, the card works best for people who ** treat it like a learning tool. ** Make small, consistent purchases, pay off the balance each month, and monitor your credit score. Over time, this habit not only earns small rewards but also builds a strong foundation for future financial opportunities. Think of the TD Cash Secured credit card as a stepping stone rather than a final destination. Another subtle advantage is the ** simplicity of the rewards program. With no rotating categories or complicated bonus structures, there's less risk of forgetting to maximize points, which can be confusing for new credit users. For students or young adults, this simplicity is actually a hidden value. Most people get caught up chasing points that are hard to redeem. With TD, every dollar spent earns a predictable return. Some people ask whether the card is worth it compared to other secured credit cards on the market in 2025. While other secured cards may offer slightly higher rewards or additional perks, they often come with annual fees or stricter approval requirements. TD's card balances ** accessibility, rewards, and educational value **, making it a strong contender for anyone starting to build credit. Finally, let's consider ** long-term strategy **. Even though the cashback rewards may seem modest, the long-term benefits of establishing a solid credit history far outweigh them. A strong credit score opens doors to lower interest rates on loans, higher credit limits, and premium credit cards in the future. Most people underestimate how critical the first credit accounts are in setting the trajectory for financial health, and the TD Cash Secured credit card offers a reliable, safe platform to start. In conclusion, the ** TD Cash Secured credit card in 2025 is worth it for anyone who needs to build or rebuild credit responsibly while earning simple rewards. **. Its combination of accessibility, no annual fee, cashback rewards, and potential to transition to an unsecured card makes it a smart choice. The real value comes not just from the rewards, but from establishing strong credit habits that will benefit you for years. If you are disciplined, make on-time payments, and keep utilization low, this card can be a ** powerful tool for financial growth **, making it much more than just a temporary secured credit card.